All right, everybody, we're back. We've got activity 6, and it's not even a new activity, everybody. It's the reaction we talked about before, making hemiacetals and acetals, except this time they're thio versions. Whatever oxygen does, sulfur does. Often, whatever oxygen does, sulfur does faster when it comes to being a nucleophile. So we're going to do a review of the most important mechanism of chapter 16, making hemiacetals and acetal. Red first. I think if you look at activity 2, if you have it right beside you, activity 2, I think, was the one where we did acetals the first time. We're going to do the same thing. This is going to be a quickie. First step, activate the carbonyl. Second step, nucleophile, not a poor nucleophile. Moderate nu. So this goes a little faster than that other one. Attacks the, oh, I don't like that. Attacks the carbon. Pi resonates. You want to get greedy? Why not? You're going to generate the base during this. You're going to generate the base. You're also going to generate a thio with a plus charge. We call that a sulfonium. S will have 3 bonds. I hope you agree. S will have 3 bonds. That will give it a plus charge, and it's attached to an H. Here's what I'm going to do to save us a third step. How about doing it this way? Green third. So if it's not red and it's not green, it's second. All right, so green is third. I'm going to erase the H, but not really. You can't just do that on mechanisms. It would be nice and convenient, wouldn't it? Erase it in purple. Redraw the H. Take the H with a third step. And you have your hemithioacetal. Look at that. This could have been done in our first hemiacetal mechanism. Remember, I told you I wanted to show you the activated carbonyl and see what it looks like? And I said you didn't need to really do that. Well, here's how you can avoid drawing the activated carbonyl. By saying red first, you're acknowledging you must make the activated carbonyl. So by using these words, you're showing a level of understanding that I need to see. We're going to combine some things here. Now, what does this mean, the square bracket? It means this is the intermediate here. So all the chemicals that you had at your disposal before are still present, including the acid, sulfuric acid, and its conjugate base, hydrogen sulfate. You're going to need both. I don't know exactly where this is going to point, so this could look awkward. I need both the acid and its conjugate base. I need to make this go away. Yeah, I didn't show it, but you're making water as well. Yes, it's a condensation reaction. You have a small reading assignment here. Here's your small reading assignment. Read about, and I'm going to make it very cryptic. I'm not going to tell you where to find it. There's an index for the textbook. If you read chapter 16, these initials will be encountered multiple times. So that's all I'm going to say about that. I'm just going to write DST here. It has nothing to do with the mechanism. It's just making the reaction happen more quickly. DST doesn't help with this step. This is just acid base. Why do we have to do the acid base? Why do we have to create an oxonium? Because we want to make the oxygen into a better leaving group. Most of you finished that sentence before I did, I hope. And then blue, what was step 2's color? I should have written it because, now I'm confused. Baby blue. Make your activated thiocarbonyl. What the heck? Yeah, it's going to be an activated carbonyl, but sulfur's there, not oxygen. So thiocarbonyl. New color. Here's your activated thiocarbonyl. We got this propyl group. Got this double bond to S. Got 3 CH2s. Got an S. Draw the bond. You'll save yourself. There's your activated thiocarbonyl. And we're going to do the attack. And your base is going to grab the H in blue. And you're going to be done. And I would use this one as a guide for the absolute shortest way to make a hemiacetal and a full acetal. This is as short as it gets. Still 4 points each half. 4 plus 4, 8. I'll give you 10 seconds. So if you haven't been keeping up, yes, sir.
I wasn't able to upload activity 3, I think it was, because it wouldn't give me a submission sign.
I don't understand.
Activity 3? I think it
Yeah.
was, I'll double check. Maybe activity 4. It wouldn't let me put it. It doesn't say add submission anywhere. It just it's activity.
Did other people have that trouble? I didn't hear about anybody. Or I didn't have my chat on, so I wasn't looking. Sorry.
Yeah, there's no add submission area for activity 3.
Email me activity 3, please. Oh, I don't know what that was for. Somebody did the chat. So does that no mean you were not successful in activity 3? Here's what I'm going to do. Just for activity 3. Oh, didn't have problems. Okay, so Ali, just. Oh, okay. All right, for activity 3, I'm going to extend that deadline. And I'm going to set up activity 6. So those of you who did not upload activity 3, your first job will be to submit activity 3. Your next job will be immediately submit activity 6. I will be creating that submission area now. Here we go.